Well, going down okay, I would say, given that Europe has had a weak start, about a 1% kind of cut across the board. And for our markets as well, we slipped well sub the 11,100 level. We've recovered from there. 45 points lower, 11,125. That's the print on the Nifty futures. Yes, the breadth has been negative today, starkly in favor of the declines. But remember, it's the broader markets which for the past two trading sessions or even before that, they have underperformed the benchmark indexes. So the signs of fatigue clearly came in there first. So 90 stocks standing to the declines and 51 to the advances within the F&O universe. Axis Bank, your clear star performer today, 7% higher. Titan, Z, ITC, Reliance Industries, they've managed to support the index today. Though on the flip side, there's been weakness amongst the metals universe. You saw the PSU trade as well see some profit taking. BPCL, after a heady run-up with the last three trading sessions, that's down by about 3%. Tata Steel, Edison Bank, Infosys, Britannia, even a Maruti, L&T, these are all stocks which have managed a red close for themselves. In fact, sectorally, within the F&O universe, all the sectors have closed in the red, the key pressure points being media as well as finance. From within the broader market, Piramal Enterprises, SBI Life, Tata Motors, these have been your key losers. Add to that a Canara Bank as well as Petronet and Bandhan Bank too. On the flip side, some gains for a Chola Finance. Muthoot held strong, 7% higher there. Chola was up about 5.5% and PVR saw some buying with a 6.5% gain. And Escorts, Power Grid, Biocon, these were the other steady performers today. Avan, how have the newsmakers fared?
Well, indeed, they've been a lot focused on numbers. It's been downhill for Bajaj Auto. You know, the company did manage to give out a decent margin expectation, although the management has been very cautious about the road ahead, saying that lockdowns can disrupt the supply chain. So that's been one newsmaker. L&T was still awaiting the quarterly show, and the stock going in a little bit subdued into its numbers. Remember, expectations are that it's not going to be the best of quarters. Axis Bank, a healthy quarterly earnings. The stock is well gaining on the back of that. Operational performance too has been strong. HUL, despite its resilient performance in a challenging quarter, has been a bit of a loser in trade. A mixed bag of reviews when it comes to the analyst community. You have Dhanuka Agritech active in trade, wraps up with a gain as they have approved that buyback at about 1,000 rupees. India Mart, strong set of numbers. The management said they're very well diversified. They'll be looking at online and tele channels now for their revenue growth. So that too has been a newsmaker. And by the way, you also had something like JSPL that came out with its numbers. Revenues at about 9,278 crores on a consolidated basis, and a PAT performance at 267 crores versus a loss of 87 crore rupees. So that's how some of the newsmakers have wound up today. Tomorrow as well, we'll be keeping a close eye on earnings. While there's no Nifty 50 numbers that will be declared tomorrow, you do have a whole host of earnings. Biocon, HDFC, AMC, ABB, PNB Housing, Radico Khaitan and AU Small among the lot. So wrapping it up today, breaking that 4-day winning streak, if I'm not mistaken, at 11,143.